Welcome everyone. Let's begin our lesson for today by going over the learning goals and success criteria. First, what are we learning? We're learning how to recognize all numbers as being part of the number system, how to determine which number set within the number system a number belongs, how to recognize that numbers can belong to multiple number sets at the same time, how to recognize closure of number sets within the number system under mathematical operations, how to recognize the relative position of rational numbers on the real number line, how to compare rational numbers and order them from least to greatest, how to find the exact location of a rational number on the real number line, how to use the location of rational numbers in order to find the location of 1 on the real number line, how to convert decimal values including repeating decimals to fractions, how to convert fraction values to decimals, how to formulate logical mathematical arguments in order to prove mathematical principles, and how to prove the closure of rational numbers under mathematical operations. How are we learning it? Through the Reasoning with Rational Numbers test assignment. When can we use this information? To perform simple calculations such as a budget by recognizing boundaries of numbers to determine if adding the values in the budget will stay within the income amount. To cut boards into smaller equal pieces in order to create or repair furniture. And to organize thoughts and ideas about any topic in order to provide a valid argument for your thoughts, beliefs, and ideas. How do we know we learned it? By getting a score of 4 on the Reasoning with Rational Numbers test assignment. Now let's take a look at our agenda for today. We will begin by going over the learning goals and success criteria. While we do that, you'll submit your Reasoning with Rational Numbers study guide. After that, I'll give you time to complete the Reasoning with Rational Numbers test on Illuminate. At the end of class, we'll go back over our learning goals and success criteria while you fill out your before you go. Your only homework for tonight is to complete any incomplete assignments that you may have. Let's take a look now at the Reasoning with Rational Numbers test assignment. The assignment begins with our learning goals and success criteria. If you scroll down, there's a link here to take us to the Illuminate test. Go ahead and click on that link, and it should take you to a page that looks like this. Let's talk now about how to log into Illuminate so that we can take our assessments. So when you click on the link to go to your Illuminate, it should take you to a page that looks like this, and it should already have the access code already there. So the only thing you need to enter in is your student login. Now your student login is your full student ID. So we're going to go ahead and enter that in. So we enter in our full student ID and click Next. It's going to pop up to a page that looks like this. It should have your name right here and your student ID here. It should tell you what test you're taking right here. If everything looks right, you're going to go ahead and click Confirm. From there, it should take you to a page that looks like this. You should have the title here. It should have your name up here in the top right corner. It tells you when the test closes and how many questions are on the test. You'll go ahead and click Begin Test. That will allow you to begin your test and complete the questions. Once you're done, make sure you go back to Google Classroom and submit your work.